Okay, we are going to do an engine startup on this 2010 Thomas Safety Liner C2 with the wheelchair lift. And the reason I'm doing this is because we are getting a new bus soon. I'm going to do a trip to school video soon, so that will be uploaded soon. There's look your switches. There's your gear shift and your gauges. And off to your right there, that red switch is for the door. So we're gonna fire this thing up. Here we go. Sounds very nice for a 6-year-old bus. Thought I'd do a video of this bus since I did a video of the spare bus that we have.
176, 270.
There's your radio.
Go ahead, 270.
And that will be it.